In the previous lesson, we worked with the lights. In Blender, we saw what type of lights we have at our disposal and how we can create a three-point light system using different techniques and also using an add-on. So if I turn everything off right here and just the lights actually, everything will be pretty dark except for these lights right here that are actually coming from an emissive material. So another way to create light in Blender is to use emissive material. So we have lights that we can add, we have emissive materials, and then we have environment. Environment also is a really important source of light, and we can work with the combination of these three different types of lighting. So here in the world properties panel, we can change the darkness of everything, but we can also apply a color. So the more we increase this, and the more also the strength, of course. So brighter colors will make like brighter light, but also, of course, increasing the strength. Or we can just use like a specific color and illuminate everything with that color. Everything except the emissive material, as you can see. And also we can use a texture. Every time we use a texture, instead of a simple color or a simple value, and we can use also procedural maps and texture maps, we can create something more realistic. You can see now that we can see that this is pretty flat as a lining. So we don't have three-point lining. We have like really blurred shadows. Everything is, again, kind of flat, which is an effect that perhaps you're looking for. But if you want something more realistic, you can go with the environment texture. So from here, we can change the color, the intensity, but we can also apply an environment texture. So you can click here and let's go up. There it is, environment texture. And now everything is going to become purple because we don't have any right now. And this is what we're going to talk about in this video. And also, I want to show you up here that if you go in the rendering mode, also up here, of course, we can turn on and off the lights. So we can turn all the lights off from here, and we can turn off the scene world from here. Once we turn off the scene world, this is going to go automatically to the default scene walls that are right here, which are a combination of interiors, exteriors, and studios. So you can recreate the studio just by applying an image in the environment, a texture in the environment, instead of like creating an actual 3D studio. But that's going to be less accurate. Now I can also hide here this backdrop. Okay, so you can see that I can save these images without the background. I can do a photo montage, but you can see that also using a single image is going to do excellent work on the lighting. And this technique is called image-based lighting. Now to see here the texture, we can increase the word opacity. So now we are seeing the texture, and we can also rotate the texture. So when we use the environment, or also called HDRI or high dynamic range image, we can use that as a background. We can use it just for the lights, or we can use it also for the reflections. So you can see the reflections are better when we don't have like a flat world or a flat environment, but we have an actual environment around our subject. So you can see the backdrop right there. So we can simulate a studio just by using an image, and that is going to come with the lights and with the reflections. And now we just need to understand which is the best point of view to position our subject with the background right there. Now we're going to understand also we can create customized HDRI or environments lighting. And the other panel that is really important, the other interface, is going to be the shading interface, because here we can see the material. So if we click on an object, we can see the material that we are using. So if I click here, I can see some emissive material probably around there. And also if we change here, we can select world, and this is the world setting right now. So you can see that we are we have an environment text here, but it's empty because in the world here we didn't select the HDRI yet. So until we don't select that and we go back and activate the scene world, this is going to stay purple. So remember, it's really important to understand these different types of lighting in Blender in order to manage the overall lighting the best that you can. So just to recap, we're gonna now work on image-based lighting technique, and we're gonna use an HDRI. That's the base to have the environment, and that is gonna give us the background, the reflections, and the lighting. And we can find some HDRIs in Polyhaven. We already saw this site before for the assets, and we're going to see it also for the textures or materials. So here we can access the HDRI part, and you can see that we have different types of simulation. What we can simulate an outdoor, for example, if you use a house, or an indoor if you use a product, or perhaps another like urban environment if we have automotive visualization, like for cars and etc. etc. So depending on what our subject is, we can change the HDRI. Now you can see here the studio. Again, if you want, you can download it from here. There are many type of studios and with the backdrops and all the lights, but this time they are part of the image instead of like lights, actual lights in Blender. And so I want to do something with a car, so I'm gonna go with the urban. And I'm gonna select one of these. Let's go for a street because I want to do like automotive. And here you can select the resolution. So the higher the resolution, the better will be the image, especially if you use it as a background. If you use it just for the lighting and the reflections, it could be like a lower resolution. Let's say that for this example, I want to use 1K, which is pretty fine, but not so heavy. And then we're going to use HDR. HDR means high dynamic range, and HDRI means high dynamic range image, and that's the file format that we use in general for this effect. And I will save it in here, which is a folder I created in my Blender 5 video course folder. And we're also going to need a subject, which you can get from Sketchfab if you want. You can look for like a car, or if you type like Ferrari or Lamborghini, whatever, you can find a lot of assets in here. But I'm gonna use for this example a model that I found in Blender Kit. So we're gonna use Blender Kit, but you can find plenty of models in Sketchfab as we already saw before. And also for architecture, you can find a house or whatever building you want. Otherwise, if you're interested in study more the way you can create architecture for interiors, exteriors in Blender, you can check our video workshops in the channel. So just type video workshop, let's search inside the playlist. So we're gonna type like workshop, and well, there are many for different software, but you'll find also some in architecture. So just type like workshop architecture, and we have in Italian and in English. And you can also check this course called 3D Architecture and Interior Design in Blender, where there are also a lot of add-ons explained. I will put some links at the end of the video. And here we I created a new file, which is empty. And I'm just gonna go here in Blender Kit, and I'm gonna stay here in the models. Let's look for sport car or like Ferrari or whatever. And we can also filter here and put some free first. And I found this first one right here, but you can try also with others. This one is the first one, also has some emissive material, so we can have a look also to that. And so we just need to wait for this model to be downloaded and inserted. It's going to be quite heavy, so you can also try again with a different one, also from Sketchfab. And once it's finished, we're going to set the environment. There you go. So for the environment, we're going to go to the world. And again, instead of using the gray color here, let's see what's happening if we render. There we go. And also we change the render engine into cycles. And remember also to switch